So the water's receded enough to where I can try to look at my house. You can see the mud where it stripped the paint. This is my front room. As you can see, I've lost stuff. This is my bedroom. My bed's total loss. Anything that's on the floor is complete loss. This is my bathroom. The water in here came up through the floor. Closet. Thankfully, most of the stuff that was lost in here is not essential. So, as you can see, some stuff that was damaged, thankfully can be washed. The rest, just gotten rid of. We put all the stuff that we could on the bed, but you can see the damage it's done. The water went throughout the entire house. Nothing was safe. Going into my kitchen now. There's mud all over it. But again, things that were damaged were mostly in the living room. Maybe underneath the sink here, I'm not really sure until I can get better lighting.